and welcome. So today I'm coming on to do a unboxing on a recent haul that I have done. Now I have fallen in love with the Blooming Wild collection from Paige Evans, and I actually found it being sold here in the UK, but I did have to go to two different UK websites to get everything that I needed. So I actually first went to Crafty Charlie and then to the Paper Maze, two amazing companies that do stock a lot of amazing things. I will link both of the websites in the description box below as well. And yeah, I'm just been so influenced on this one. It's absolutely such a gorgeous collection. So I'll show you what I got from each store. So the first place on top here is the Crafty Charlie. I love that they just wrote a little hand message saying, hope your order brings you oodles of joy and creativity. Oh my god, it sure will. Sure will, Charlie. So what I've got here is some embellishments. This is the embellishment pack. You get 40 embellishments and it consists of like the, what's it called, I can't think of the word now, like the tags, labels and that sort of thing. I just absolutely love the colors. And then they've got like really pastel colors with some like really strong like purples, like deep purples, like violets with the holographic. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. So there's that one, and then there was this one which is like 40 embellishment pieces, and these are actual embellishment pieces. So like the birdhouse, and there's rainbows, and there's flowers, and the little birds, and the bees. Again, tags and picture frames. Absolutely beautiful. As you can see, just the colours are gorgeous. These are like, if anyone ever says what is your favourite colour, I'm just going to say Blooming Wild, because these are all of my favourite colours put into this, including the holographic. So that's my new favourite colour. My new favourite colour is Blooming Wild. And then I had to get these. Oh my gosh, I love the font, I love the colours. This is the thickers. It says radiant, happy, glow, joy, blossom, pretty, and they've got an and sign, true story, together, sweet, and then you've got all the hearts and the flowers. And then you have another side that says amazing, magical, best friends, awesome, cool, love, sparkle, and beautiful. Just absolutely gorgeous. And they're like puffy style thickers. So pretty. And then the chipboard sets. This is a 12 by 12 chipboard set. Look at the holographic. Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at all the hearts. Oh, look, the birds. Today was magic. The flowers, all the words. Look at the little birdhouse. And we've got tabs and globes, rainbows. Love, 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 love. And like I said, I just love this deep, deep violet as well. Oh, so pretty. And then I got the 12 by 12 paper pad. So guys, this I'm gonna flick through every single page. Now this is 48 sheets, and it's 48 single sheets and single-sided as well. So there's 40 different designs in this, and I think it's absolutely incredible. So let's flick through, and I'll try and, oh, should I do it this way, because I don't want to, there'll be things on the other side. Well, that side came off too easy that it gave me hope on this side. There we go. So we've got like the journaling page, and it's quite good cardstock as well. Like I think it's thinner than what I'm used to from like photo play and things like that. But I think it's, yeah, it's alright. You can always back it. And you can't have everything, can you? Just lovely journaling cards, and the washi strips, borders, beautiful plaids. Oh my god, this paper, this was the one. I actually got extras, so I'll go on to that in a second. So I actually saw Christian fussy cut this as well to use as ephemera, more flower ephemera. It's so beautiful. And then the beautiful hearts. And some more plaid with the rainbow. It's like ombre. It's like ice cream. We've got the hexagon. It's like a quilt. It's gorgeous. It's not black. It's like a really dark green. So pretty. And the light green with the daisies. And then we've got this grid pattern, which has kind of got like wobbly lines instead of straight lines. Gorgeous rainbows. They just remind me of like the rainbows, like the knitted ones. And we've got this cute lilac with the daisies. More beautiful flowers on the mint. Oh, this reminds me of like a sweater, jumper. On the alphabet. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And this gorgeous blues, the flowers. We've got this polka dot that's on like a knitted background. And that gorgeous like deep blue. We've got tag page. Very good. And then obviously it's blank on the other side, so you definitely can back it. Make some really sturdy tags. And oh my gosh, look at them strips. So pretty. Oh, the ombre. I love an ombre. Yellows and the pinks and the oranges. And these gorgeous flowers. And then this is like the faux stitching. And you draw the little lines. I love it. Like a little blanket. Ombre flowers. Oh my gosh. So pretty. And again, this is even ombre as well. Really subtle. We've got like a limey green side and then going into like a jaded green this side. And then we've got these, which are, I don't know what they are, but they're like, you know when you stamp and then like you can stamp in words in here, like labels. There we go. It'll come to me. Oh my gosh, that deep, 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 deep blue with the purple. Oh, look at this one. It reminds me of like a doily. Whoa, that one's good. Oh, on the eyes. Geometric pattern. Again, this is like a quilt. And like you could actually cut them out and make like little what are they called, like, no, I don't think they'll be twinches. I think they're a bit too big for twinchy maybe. It's my ruler. Yeah, the 2.5. So, but you could make a twinchy at them because you could cut them down. Or you can make a 2.5, 2.5. I know Ashley is done. Oh, she's still doing it. I think it's still till August 12th. Her giveaway is a 2.5 by 2.5. So there you go. I could have made. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Not into maths. We all saw me suffer with maths before. There's the little stitch patterns. Oh, the butterflies. Gorgeous. Oh, pink waves. Oh, this is a big scrapbooking page. So it says love. You could cut them out. Ideas. Do you know what the edges look like? Like tabs. You know when you're making a 3D project, it just reminds me of tabs. And I love this with the coral pink and the pink. Oh my gosh, just like ombre watercolor. Lovely green and flowers. Oh my gosh, that beautiful deep blue and the violets. More ombre stitch work. Oh, beautiful, like hearts. They're like stitched hearts that have got like watercolor and they're just like overspilling. I just love it. It's beautiful. Some yellow stars. Oh, this is different. So it's like a scallop, but it's like going this way. It's like you're using your scraps, but you're not using your scraps, you're using a page. Oh, these look like twinches. These are 2 inch, I think. Look at all these twinches. Oh no, these are smaller. These are 1 3/4. Wow. They're little, so tiny, but they're like every single page. I think. I've seen most of these and we've got a few left. Oh, sliding now. Oh, some more cutter parts. Oh, look at the bee and the butterfly. Oh, again, this looks like making scraps. Like, it's giving me ideas what to do for my scraps. Like, make a page. You need like a thin strip. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. More stripes, the stitch detail. Oh, more ombre with this gorgeous like mandala pattern. More large print flowers. And then you've got this gorgeous green. And that's it. That is the 12 by 12 pad. 48 pages. Absolutely gorgeous, every single one of them. And that's what I got from the Crafty Charlie. So then from Paper Maze, I didn't get anything the same. I just got the other bits that I wanted from the collection. And there is still a lot of other things in the collection as well. It's an absolutely huge collection. I could not get everything. So I got what I could. And here we go. So I got the sticker book. I love these sticker books. Look, Paper Maze actually has the prices on. It must be an actual shop. You get 290 stickers. So you get 8 sheets, which is absolutely amazing. And I love these because these are like the transparent ones in the back as well. And I love all these little tabs. And the holographic loveliness. Some border strips. Again, just absolutely beautiful. And this is like a glossy. And this is matte. Oh, I love these. And you get holographic alphas. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we get a 36 sheet paper pads, which has all the same patterns. So I'm not going to go through every single one again. This is a 6 by 8. Oof. Why does one always give me hope? But it's got holographic in it this time. So it's actually got holographic pieces. Oh, here comes Theo. Theo? Theo? Shh. Shh, darling. Shh. Thank you. So you can see some of the holographic details. That one in the hearts. Just trying. Oh, wow. Look at that one. Oh, just comes alive, doesn't it? Absolutely beautiful. And some in these cutter parts. Oh, and that geometric. Oh, it just gives me rainbows. Oh, look at that one in the plaids. And then, oh, the flowers. Oh my gosh, look at that. You can still see the blue, but wow. Yeah, and that's it. So absolutely gorgeous. Subtle bits of holographic and then some that'll just blind you. And then I got the chipboard frames as well. I just thought these were really cute. Theo, please. Sorry about that. And got Happy Day, Sweet, Dreamer. I think they're so cute. And then I got the stickers as well. I got 82 stickers. And again, these come with like the holographic accents in as well. I'm just a magpie for holographic. Love it. And then on the other side as well. I love this bee and I love the bird boxes. I actually got a bird box from MJ. So this is absolutely inspiring me now to make that into with the Blooming Wild collection. It will look so cute. And then what I did also get from the Paper Maze is some extra sheets. These are single sheets, and they are double-sided. So I got this one for this side because I love the flower pattern, and then I did get more cut aparts because yeah, I love them. And then I got extra sheets of this one because of the fussy cutting of the actual flowers. Lots and lots of flowers, so absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, that is my haul on the Blooming Wild collection. Like I say, I was completely enabled. I will apologise now if I enabled you, but it's totally worth it. It's such a beautiful collection, and like, I feel like it can be used all year. I mean, you could even use it in some Christmas, I think. Like, you know, it's just not, it's not, I just love it. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, I'm really happy that I got this collection. So like I said, I will leave both companies' websites in the description box. If you haven't already been there, do so. I actually love the, like, I'm not gonna like say one over the other, but recently I bought Bex Crafts a present from Paper Maze for their birthday, and I asked them if they could write a little message in it, and they did. Oh my god, honestly, I'm gonna leave them the best review ever, which is so lovely. So yeah, I'm not gonna tell you what I bought, because unless Bex wants to do a video or not, that's up to them. But yeah, I thought I'd come on and share with you my haul. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye.